Hey everyone, this is Dr. Alarcon, and today we're going to explore how to open files with KaleidaGraph. We're using KaleidaGraph beta version 5.0. Go to File, go Open, and locate the folder where you have the data you want to plot. If you want to plot data from KaleidaGraph, you should look for the QDA extension file. You can also open files with different extensions, like CSV. To do this, go to Open, select the dataset you want to plot. CSV is comma delimited, so the delimiter should be selected as comma. Press OK, and your data should be imported. You have to check always your data if it's properly imported before you start plotting. To do this, select all your columns, right-click to column formatting, and your data must be selected as a float. If the data is selected as text or different types, please select float and press apply. And use Kaleida for saving your data set. To do this, go to Save Data As. You will find the different options. KaleidaGraph data is for the versions 5.0, or you can save it in a previous version of Kaleida.